Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about engraving techniques for wooden crafts by showing you a collection of different wooden craft project ideas items. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Engraving techniques for wooden crafts represent a fascinating blend of artistry and craftsmanship, allowing artisans to create intricate designs that enhance the beauty and individuality of their wooden pieces. Engraving, in its various forms, has been utilized for centuries to adorn objects, tell stories, and personalize items, making it a timeless skill that continues to evolve with modern technology and artistic expression. As artisans delve into the world of engraving, they discover a myriad of techniques that can be applied to different types of wood, each offering unique possibilities for creativity and customization. At its core, engraving involves the removal of material from the surface of the wood to create designs, patterns, or text. This process can be achieved through several methods, each with its own set of tools and techniques. One of the most traditional methods of engraving is hand carving, which employs chisels and gouges to manually remove wood. This technique requires a keen eye for detail and a steady hand, as artisans must carefully carve into the wood to create the desired design. Hand carving can produce stunning results, especially when working with hardwoods that have a tight grain, allowing for intricate detailing. The tactile experience of carving by hand connects artisans with their materials, fostering a deeper appreciation for the craft. Pyrography, or wood burning, is another popular engraving technique that involves using a heated tool to burn designs into the wood. This method allows for a wide range of effects, from fine lines to shading, giving artisans the ability to create depth and texture within their designs. Pyrography is particularly appealing for its accessibility. Many beginners find it an easy entry point into the world of engraving. With just a wood-burning tool and some practice, artisans can experiment with different techniques, such as stippling or shading, to develop their own style. The warmth of the burned wood adds a unique aesthetic that enhances the overall look of the piece, making it a favorite among many woodworkers. Laser engraving has revolutionized the field of woodworking, providing a modern approach to engraving that combines precision and efficiency. This technique utilizes a laser to precisely remove material from the surface of the wood, allowing for intricate designs that would be difficult to achieve through hand carving or pyrography. Laser engraving is particularly useful for producing consistent results, making it ideal for creating multiple copies of the same design or for intricate patterns that require a high level of detail. The ability to easily replicate designs also opens up opportunities for personalization, as artisans can incorporate names, dates, or custom messages into their work with minimal effort. This technology not only enhances the creative possibilities for artisans, but also aligns with the growing demand for personalized products in the marketplace. As artisans explore the different engraving techniques, they often encounter various types of wood that can significantly influence the outcome of their work. Each wood species possesses unique characteristics, such as color, grain pattern, and density, which can affect how the wood reacts to engraving. For instance, softer woods like pine or basswood are easier to carve and burn, making them ideal for beginners. They also allow for more forgiving mistakes, as the material can be easily adjusted or corrected. In contrast, hardwoods like oak or walnut require more skill and precision due to their density, but they yield stunning results when engraved, as the rich grain patterns provide a beautiful backdrop for intricate designs. In addition to the type of wood, the choice of tools also plays a critical role in the engraving process. Artisans can choose from a variety of tools, including chisels, knives, and rotary tools, each offering different capabilities and results. Chisels and gouges are essential for hand carving, allowing for a range of cuts and details. Rotary tools, equipped with various bits, can provide versatility for engraving, cutting, and sanding, making them invaluable in a woodworker's toolkit. The selection of tools ultimately depends on the artist's preferred techniques and the complexity of the designs they wish to create. Beyond the technical aspects of engraving, the creative process is equally important. Engraving offers artisans the opportunity to express their artistic vision, whether through abstract designs, nature-inspired motifs, or personalized messages. The design phase often begins with sketching ideas on paper, allowing artisans to experiment with different layouts and styles before committing to the wood. This planning stage is crucial, as it helps to visualize how the final piece will look and ensures that the engraving process is as smooth as possible. Many artisans also find inspiration in their surroundings, drawing from nature, architecture, or cultural motifs that resonate with them personally. Once the design is finalized, artisans can transfer their ideas onto the wood. This transfer can be achieved through various methods, such as tracing with carbon paper or using transfer paper designed for wood. Some artisans prefer to sketch directly onto the wood using pencils or markers, allowing for adjustments as they work. The key is to ensure that the design is clear and precise, as this will guide the engraving process. For laser engraving, the design is often created digitally, using software to prepare the file for the laser cutter. This digital approach allows for greater flexibility in design, enabling artisans to experiment with different sizes, orientations, and styles before the engraving begins. Safety is an essential consideration in the engraving process, particularly when working with tools and heat. Artisans should always wear appropriate safety gear, such as goggles and masks, to protect themselves from dust and debris generated during carving or burning. Additionally, it is vital to work in a well-ventilated area, especially when using wood-burning tools, as the smoke produced can be harmful if inhaled. By adhering to safety guidelines, artisans can enjoy the engraving process while minimizing risks. As artisans refine their skills in engraving, they often find that their work evolves over time. The practice of engraving is not merely about mastering techniques, it is also about exploring one's artistic voice and developing a unique style. This evolution can be influenced by a variety of factors, such as exposure to different materials, experimentation with new tools, or the inspiration drawn from other artists. Many woodworkers find that their engraving style becomes a signature aspect of their work, setting them apart in a competitive marketplace. This individuality not only enhances their brand identity but also resonates with customers who appreciate the craftsmanship and artistry behind each piece. Additionally, personalization allows artisans to engage with their customers in a more meaningful way. By offering customization options, they can create a dialogue that enhances the overall experience for both parties. This interaction not only builds rapport but also provides valuable insights into customer preferences, allowing artisans to tailor their offerings to meet specific demands. For instance, if a customer expresses a desire for a particular design or color scheme, the artisan can incorporate that feedback into future projects, fostering a sense of collaboration that enriches the creative process. As artisans continue to hone their skills in personalization, they may also find inspiration in the rich history of woodworking and craftsmanship. Studying traditional techniques and styles can provide valuable insights into the art of personalization, allowing artisans to draw from a wealth of knowledge and experience. This exploration of history can lead to a deeper appreciation for the craft, inspiring artisans to incorporate elements of traditional designs into their personalized pieces. For example, a modern furniture maker might pay homage to classic joinery techniques, adding a touch of heritage to contemporary designs. By merging old and new, artisans create a dialogue between the past and present, enriching their work with layers of meaning. The personalization of wooden crafts also extends to the realm of storytelling. Each piece can carry a narrative that reflects the artisan's journey, the inspiration behind the design, or the significance of the item to its owner. By sharing these stories, artisans can create a connection with their audience that goes beyond the physical object. This narrative aspect of personalization adds depth and context, transforming a simple wooden item into a vessel of memories and emotions. For instance, a handcrafted wooden cradle might symbolize the arrival of a new family member, becoming a cherished heirloom that carries the weight of love and tradition through generations. Engraving techniques for wooden crafts encompass a rich and diverse array of methods that allow artisans to create personalized, meaningful pieces that resonate with their audience. From traditional hand carving and pyrography to modern laser engraving and CNC technology, each technique offers unique possibilities for artistic expression and craftsmanship. As artisans develop their skills, they discover the joy of transforming ordinary wood into extraordinary works of art, infusing their creations with individuality and personal stories. The growing demand for personalized wooden crafts presents an exciting opportunity for artisans to thrive in a marketplace that values creativity, sustainability, and the beauty of handcrafted items. By embracing engraving techniques, artisans not only enhance their craft but also contribute to a vibrant community of creators who celebrate the artistry and history of woodworking. This journey of exploration and innovation continues to inspire new generations of woodworkers, ensuring that the art of engraving remains a cherished and evolving tradition. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for interior home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.